Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. I am back at it again. I heard your requests and I'm doing a purple look using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I wanted to do something very spring-like and spring-appropriate. So I hope you enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's begin. I'm starting with the P. Louise base. This is in Rumor 2. This is the original one, and then they have so many different shades now. I'm mostly focusing this in the crease area. I don't really care much about the lid because I will be cleaning up the lid to cut the crease anyway. I'm going to first dip into Therapy Sesh with this blending brush from Folklore. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm going to apply it in the crease and I'm going to soften and blend it out so it melts into my skin tone. To deepen the crease now, I'm going to dip into Not My Journey with a smaller blending brush from Colourpop. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to use it in the crease and I'm going to blend it out with Therapy Sesh so we have that ombre of shades, deepest at the crease, and as it moves upwards, it melts into my skin tone. And now to deepen it further, I'm going to dip into Crazy. I'm pretty much building the crease with the shade, and I'm going to apply it directly focused at the crease. And the brush that I'm using is a small pencil brush from Colourpop. And then using a larger blending brush, I'm going to soften it and blend it out with the other shades that I just used at the crease. Now it's time to cut the crease. As you guys know, I have hooded eyes, so my crease line is passing right across the lid, as you can see. If I use that as my crease, you won't be able to see a thing because it's going to hide under the hood. So I cut my crease way above that, and then I clean up the lid space using the micellar cleansing water. With a Q-tip, I'm going to quickly clean it up, and then I paint my lid with the concealer. And the reason I clean up my lid space before I use the concealer is because I don't want any residue of the eyeshadows that I use to be on the lid when I apply the concealer and to mix with it. I want the cut crease to be as sharp and as crisp as possible. To set this concealer, I'm going to be using Certified. That's the only eyeshadow that I'll be using on my lid. This brush is a flat fluffy brush from Colourpop. I'm taking a little bit more of Crazy with a pencil brush to add more depth just in the outer corner of my crease. It's time to add some glitz and glamour to the crease now. I'm going to be using this Folklore Beam Heavy Metal Eyeliner, and this is in the shade 5, which is more of a holographic. It has a lot of purple glitter in it, and that's what attracted me to it. So I'm going to be applying it right at the crease. In the lower lash line, I'm going to first use Therapy Sesh. For whatever reason, the lighting in my room was off, so it kind of looks dark here, but it goes back to normal after this. Next, I'm using Not My Journey very close to the waterline, and the brush that I'm using is a flat definer brush from Colourpop. Using Aminate, I'm going to highlight my brow bones and inner corners. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Gel Liner in black. I'm going to be using it in my waterline and also in my top lash line. And the brush that I'm using is the E21 from Carity. This is my favorite eyeliner brush. And then I'm going to finish up with some Tati lashes in TL3. But before that, let's prep our natural lashes by curling it and applying some mascara. The mascara that I'm using is from Grande Cosmetics. And here's the completed look. I love purples, I love pinks, I love yellows, I love spring in general. What is your favorite color? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know that as well. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're new here, or if you just visit my channel and you've never subscribed. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For your convenience, I've listed all the products that I've used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my socials there. You can also follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.